Welcome to the course Scratch Programming for Beginners. Today we'll learn what is IDE and how to launch it. So what is IDE? IDE means Integrated Development Environment. It's a application software. It provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. An IDE normally consists of at least a source code editor, build automation tools, and debugger. Source code editor means you are writing your code and you can also edit it, you can run it, and build automation tools means you can do some kind of automation, like if you are writing the test case to test your program, then you can do some kind of test automation, for example. And the debugger, once you write it, you can debug your program control where it goes, or is there any problem, then you can also find through debugger. How to launch Scratch IDE? It can be launched in two different ways. One is offline mode. In this case, you need to install Scratch software locally. And another mode is online mode. You need to write your program. You need to have your internet connectivity and you can write the program in that particular site. Scratch IDE, once you install Scratch IDE, then there will be a shortcut button and that will be in on your desktop. In the right hand side, as there will be a shortcut button like this. If you double click on this, then your Scratch IDE will be open. Here is the Scratch IDE for Scratch version 1.4. If you see that different sections are there, you have file, edit, and share, help there, and you have the program block. Different program blocks are there to see. So we'll discuss in our future videos each and every detail. This is the area you have, that is for called programming area. So whatever the Scratch is a block oriented programming, whatever the block you need to or a need for programming, so you can take from here. And another one is the your executable area. Your program will execute in that area. Apart from that, you have another area which is additional control like sprite changes. You can change the sprite and other controls are there. I'll come into detail later. Go by online mode, then you need to type this URL in a web browser. The following page will appear. You can sign in by using your user ID and password. You can join it by creating username and password, or you can simply start creating. Click on start creating. It will open the Scratch editor. So here is the editor looks like. It's quite different from the earlier one. This is the online editor. So we'll discuss in detail each and every detail in future video. This video is a part of video series based on the topic Scratch tutorial for the beginner. If you like this video, then please share, like, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.